my name is Harsh. I am from class 6 section B. So today I am going to tell about you that what is the subconscious part of our mind. Our mind is divided into three parts. Majorly it has two parts, left or right. But if we go deeper, so we can see that our mind has three parts: conscious, unconscious, subconscious. So today I will tell you that what is subconscious part. Subconscious part is very important part of our mind because there are mysterious things in our subconscious part. So first, let me tell you that why the subconscious part is called the mysterious part of our mind, because have you ever think that what are the frequencies? Frequencies are the major unit of sound, because in the space you see that we can't speak because space has no gravity, so we can't speak. So there are radio waves that are translated in the voice of person. So that's the reason we can speak, we can say anything in space. So I am telling you that what are frequencies. Frequencies that have you ever seen that someone relations are very good and someone's are very bad, because these are also the effect of frequencies. If someone's frequencies get matched, so their relations are being very good, and when in other way someone's frequency do not match, so its relationship, so its relation is very bad, like an enemy. Our mind is connected to the universe in frequencies. So if we send a frequency to universe, it gets rippled to us. So it's also to be said that think positive and be positive. So that is also frequency are rippled to us in positivity. So have you ever seen that people who thinks anything they can get, they get it? It's also type of frequency that take an example that I think I want a car. In 5 months I get a car. So it's also possible by frequencies. Our subconscious mind has very powerful frequencies. So in this part, so that is the first reason why this part is called very mysterious. Second is it holds some powers like superhuman intelligence, speed, strength, stamina. These are the major powers. So have you ever seen that people who have a very strength, they can lift 100 kgs item to 200. These are the means they have the power of superhuman strength. And Albert Einstein, whose IQs is up there 100, they called a genius, and they have the power of superhuman intelligence. So these type of powers and mysterious thing our subconscious mind hold. So that's the reason why our subconscious mind called a mysterious part. So it's also a reason that why the subconscious part is important for us. Thank you.